What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at another true wireless earbuds for your liking. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can notify when next videos to come of tips and tricks on your Android and iPhone, and also unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button below so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Today we're looking at the Ouko OK-H6. We're going to test it out today and see how well it does. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. There you go. Wow, this is actually pretty good. Looks nice. Very shiny. So let's put that on the side for now. Let's open up this box right here. See what's inside. Here, as you can see, it comes with small, medium, large earbuds as well. That's pretty good. And a charging cable. Very nice. USB-C. That's good. Also the user manual right here. Pretty good. Let's put this on the side for now. There you go. Now let's take a look at the earbuds. As you can see, this is the case right here. Very nice. USB-C on the side. I'm not sure what that is, but let's open it up here. As you can see, that's a display. There you go. As soon as you open it, it'll tell you the percentage of your battery case and how much charge it has. So that's pretty good. Let's take out the earbuds and let's wear it in our ears. These are the earbuds right here. Apparently these has touch control, so that's pretty good. This will fit your ears pretty well. It has noise cancellation as well. Very nice. And there you go. Now let's see how well it fits in our ears. There you go. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's noise cancelling all right. Pretty good. What do you guys think of the fit on my ear? There you go. Pretty good. It does stick out a bit because of the arm right here, but that's good. It does fit snug up there, so that's nice. So the next thing we will do is go to settings and pair it to our phone. Go to Bluetooth. Go all the way down. There you go. It's able to pair with just one click. It's good to go. Now let's test out a few beats here. Let's go to YouTube and look at our favorite beats, bass boosting beats, right? There you go. There you go. We're about halfway right now. We're gonna put it up to 3/4. There you go. Yep. It has a lot of thump. That's good. Definitely good quality. Yeah. No distortion when it's a higher volume. So that's good. Let's see the bass here, right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bass is good, man. There you go. Let's put it up to 100%. Oh, these are good, man. What do you guys think of that? I really love these earbuds. Pretty good. So the next thing we'll test here is the touch controls. So to pause and play, all you need to do is double click. There you go, it'll play the music. To wake up Siri, all you need to do is long press the function button for 2 seconds. There you go, it'll bring up Siri right there. Pretty good. You can also touch the function key twice when you're answering and hanging up the phone. And if you want to reject it, you just long press it for 2 seconds. That's pretty good. To go to the last song, what you need to do is touch the left ear 3 times. So this is the left side right here. 1, 2, 3. There you go. 1, 2, 3. It'll go to previous song right there, pretty good. And then 3 times on the right side for the next song. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Pretty good. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a true wireless earbuds. Definitely these are a must look. And they're not that expensive as well. I'll link this down below if you want to get one yourself. It's definitely recommended for those of you who are starting to look for true wireless earbuds and you don't want to break the bank. These are pretty good on your ears. It fits very well and it sounds very good as well. I like how it added that feature of noise cancelling as well. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell as well so that you can see more videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Make sure to check out my merch below at 1130.ca so we can help out the channel. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.